Albert Einstein, the Jewish genius that is known for the theory of relativity. The man who said that imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert Einstein was always thinking in pictures. He used his imagination to visualize. The imagination is an incredible faculty that humans have. It has allowed us to create and make technological advances that makes our lives easier. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. Growing up, he was a very curious young man who developed an interest in science. His interest in science started when he would stay up at night to watch a moving compass needle, which caused him to wonder how it moved. Einstein was no ordinary thinker. He was quite eccentric in the way he viewed the world and universe, and people could tell by the things he said. Einstein once said, "I want to know God's thought in a mathematical way." Come on! No ordinary person would say something like that. It takes a certain level of awareness and deep thought for anyone to utter such a statement and mean it. By now, you must be thinking that Albert Einstein did well in school and got straight A's, since he was such a deep thinker and genius. It's quite the opposite. Einstein frequently missed his college classes, and his professors did not take him seriously. They saw him as someone that wasted time. This goes to show that school performance does not correlate with success in life. Perhaps the college curriculum did not inspire Einstein. He seemed to be a more creative and curious person. Or maybe he was just bored and was not interested in the concepts that were being taught. After leaving college, Einstein had difficulty finding a job. No one would hire him. Think about it. No one would hire Einstein because no one knew his capabilities. He eventually got a job at a patent office where he would spend his time reviewing the applications of inventors. He completed his job tasks quickly, which would allow him free time to research and think about the universe and how things worked. 1905 was a very special year for Einstein. It is known as Einstein's miracle year. In 1905, Einstein published 4 outstanding papers, which laid the foundation for physics. He published the photoelectric effect, which explained light, the existence of atoms, calculated the size of atoms, E equals mc squared, which means energy becomes matter, and matter can become energy. The theory of relativity, which states that space and time are connected. Einstein went on to prove that there is no such thing as gravitational pull. Einstein proposed that there is space around Earth, and it is space that is exerting a force on objects. In 1919, Einstein became a scientific legend when his theory of relativity was proven to be true. Einstein was admired for his work, to the point that he became a scientific celebrity, because a lot of people would show up to Einstein's presentations and speeches. Einstein was not done. He tried to discover a unified field theory, which explains the basic forces of nature and the universe. However, he died before he could complete this task. Einstein passed away from internal bleeding on April 18, 1955. After Einstein's death, an interesting discovery was made about his brain. An autopsy was performed on his body 1 week after his death. The autopsy was performed by Thomas Harvey at Princeton University. Einstein's brain was removed for study to understand why he was so brilliant and what caused him to think the way he did. Scientists discovered that Einstein's parietal lobe was 15% larger than the average person. The parietal lobe is the part of the brain that helps with three-dimensional reasoning in math. This explains why Einstein was above average in his thinking and how he was able to make brilliant discoveries through observation and imagination. That's all for today. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. Stay awesome and have a great day.